Part 2 sesiyivala ke indaba ka Black ukuthi sabangani naye. Okay. You know the background. Black wangitshela ukuthi usebenza as a bodyguard, obviously ku-involved lapho. And even before angitshela mina ngilo muntu lo thiwani ngesintu bathi umhlophe, ngiyakwazi nginayo into yokuzibona izinto. Ezinye izinto ngiyayiphupha kangangokuthi mina mangabe ngwenzele nje a typical silly example. Yabona mina, if you are going to have an appointment with me today and you are going to cancel on me, kodwa ungitsheli, ngiyakwazi ukuza ukuthi uzibani is going to cancel into esivumelene nayo ngayo, and ngivele ngikutext kuqala early in the morning, vele impendulo yakho nawe ibe isho ukuthi kanje. And futhi yazini, uyabona uma ungitexta textwe yimina, ngivele ngibe ice cold, ngivele ngehlisa umoya, angibe ngisalwa nokula ngibuza ukuthi he so wathula he mina ngiplan ukuthi ngi-involvile kuma plans wami wosuku and wena usungitshela ngivele nje ngihlisa umoya. So naye it was the same situation. I was already aware ukuthi kukhona umoya omdaka owengamele lo muntu. I'll tell you why. At some point angisho I had to give up ukuthi kufanele kube khona amarobala one way or the other, and ngangiloke ngidotsha, ngiloke ngamfuna endlini yami, ngiloke ngamfuna endlini yami, na ngiloke ngingafuni futhi nokuya kwakhe, even though ngangiye ngaya emini, kodwa kwahamba kwagcina ngiyile ke wakhe at some point. And kwakungekhona kude futhi ngoba kuyindawo engangikwazi ukudriver ekuseni ngisuke kwakhe ngize endlini yami ngizogeza ngishintshe ngihambe ngemsebenzini. So nje ngangiyitshelile ukuthi okay fine, ngime ngiya kwakhe ngiya nje ngiphathe nje isikhwanyanyana esincane esinento yokugqoka ebusuku mangilala, i-night dress or whatsoever, even though we don't wear night dresses these days, kodwa ke story for another day. Kodwa first day, because asiloke siyilwa lento, siloke siyibanga lento yokulala yokuvakashelana nani. I remember the first encounter we booked, ngoba ngangikwacaca ukuthi angimfuni kwami futhi angifuni nokuya kwakhe. So yena he was willing to compromise ukuthi okay, understand, awufuni ukuza kwami, awufuni ngize kwakho, so yini ezokwenzakala kahle mhlambe wena uyazi nje ungafuni ngize kwakho is because unendoda. Kwathi ngathi anginayo, I'm still checking the coast, we've just met, relax, chill, take a chill pill. That's just me. Angeke nje ngivele ngihlangane nawe izolo sekusasa sovumbuka kwami. I respect my space, I love my space, and my home is sacred to me. Angifuni nje kuphume kungena kube ngathi kuse brothel kuyaphuma kuyangena. Hayi kancane angiyena uqomful, kodwa futhi at the same time angiyifuni that kind of situation, you know, if you know what I mean. So yeah, sagcina ke this one particular night kusho ukuthi uboss wabo was planning nje to have an early night, wayezoba ne dinner ne family, so bahamba bayombeka la kuzoba khona i dinner khona ne family, and that dinner quickly finished, and then wabuya mekabuya mina vele ngangizophuma late emsebenzini, so ngaphuma late emsebenzini. Uma ngibuya ungitshela ukuthi angidlule ngimcheck emsebenzini la esebenzela khona. Mangimchecka shuthi uboss wayenenye amabhizinisi nje edayisa utshwala, wayejwayela ukuthi noma ngabe ikephi la kade eyekhona for a day uzojikelela lapha ebar ayocheck ukuthi kwenzakalani. So uboss wayezojikele ebar ngabo 6:30, 7:30, idinner iseyiphelile. Apparently dinner it was in some one fancy restaurant, so bonke babebuya lapho ke. So uma efika ke lapha abona ukuthi hayi engazi ukuthi it's one of those relaxed nights whereby uboss is gonna knock off earlier. Asho abuka phone abuza ukephi, mamfeke ukephi, ngithi mina hayi ngisase ngase drop-in, ngasase ngase town khona into ebade ngibhizi ngayo, angicabanga ukuthi I'm gonna be leaving in the next hour or so. At okay. Oh, I had an event that particular day. I have an event, and izophela ngo 7:30. So obviously ke maku 7:30, after that it's just mingle and things like that, so which means I was going to leave the event around 8. At mosuka ke lapho ngicela udlule kimi ngidlule kuye ke. Masidlula ke kuye kuboss uzichilele phezulu, is having a drink with some of the friends. Sebebuya kulo dinner efamily, so nathi ke sihlela phezansi. Kwauye ukuthi mengabe ukuthi uboss mengabe ngaphakathi ke vele kuwe ukuthi usafe ngaphakathi, they have to move mangabe uboss esemove. Ayikuvele kwenzeke nje ukuthi jiki mangiqeda nje ukufika uboss avela aphuma, emephuma sekufanele bamlandele bamhambise endlini. Bebeqeda umlandela bamhambise endlini, athi ngicela umila ungahambi ngoba vele endlini kwakuseduze nakulelo business lebar. Athi shwi hayi basheshe babuye nangempela, sesihleli ke la eparking siyaxoxa kuze kube late. Ngicabanga ukuthi saxoxa waze mhlampe kwa 10 10:30 athi ukhathele. Since mina ngingafuni ukuyolala kwakhe nami ngingafuni ukuyolala kwakhe ucela ukuthi yazibona lezi zindawo lezi ekubhukhwa kuzona ezino short term stay no one night intontoni athi there is a place ucela ukuthi sihambe siyohlala soxoxa khona because he wants something to drink and something to eat, so at least we can just pass by Nando's sithola into yokudla and then siyohlala lapha sixoxe because sasixoxa nje impela kushubile sasizwana ke shem talking wise inkulumo zethu zazihlangana. Okay, senze kanjalo ke kwenzeke mesifika lapha kubo abe umuntu okhathele nje avela ashesha azumeka alale naw sekuyaphoqeleka ukuthi ke angazi noma wayevele kuyiplan yakhe yini kodwa kwenzeke ukuthi umeka bhuka mina I was not close at a close range ne receptionist mabekhuluma weza nje sethi asihambe seku right kwenzeke ukuthi eze sezongibiza emotweni ethi asihambe seku right ngiyitholile indawo la ethi siyohlala khona kanti yena ufike wabhuka a night mina bengazi ukuthi siyoyihlalela nje 2-3 hours and then after that ngizomdropa kwakhe because that particular day imoto yakhe kufanele iyofakelwe windscreen so yayinenkinga ye windscreen so wayehamba ngeenyawo naleyo umsebenzi ababeyisebenzisa seyihambile sebemshila abafana laba ngiyasebenza nabo kanti ubhuke the whole night. Hey we guys, mina vele nginayo ke inkinga yokuthi even ngisho hotel ngisho ngathi 5-star hotel nginayo inkinga environment entsha angikhona ukulala endaweni engayijwayele. So but buye ubuthongo buyisiqhwaga, we all know ukuthi ubuthongo buyisiqhwaga either way buzokufikela noma nini noma kanjani buzokufikela lokho buka 1-2 hours bukubambe buthi bukudedela. Asizange senze lutho ngalelo langa. Asizange senze lutho, we kissed, we talked and then we ate and then umlisa was gone besekalele. Okay, hawuna usekalele ayi ngithi ngisamangazwe yiloko ngapha mina ngibheke ngayithu ngawayizolo ngezwe nje sekuduma izimoto eminyango ukuthi hayibo seko 5-4 sekuduma amatekisi sekusile. Guys, I couldn't sleep ubuthongo babungehli qothu. Ngazitshela ukuthi it's because of lento yami ukuthi vele i-environment engayijwayele angikhona ukulala kuyona first day. Kuze kube ngcono mhlambe after second or third day kuyimanga ngijwayela kuyimanga. As a result even ngisho kuthiwa ngilele hotel I switched the lights on because indawo entsha angikhona ukulala kuyona. So engqondweni yami kwaba nokuthi kusho ukuthi it's because of indawo le bese kuyona. Yabo izindawo ezinama spirit abantu abahlukahlukene and everything. Kanti angibuzange elangeni ngingakubuza enkukhwini ukuthi for the rest or for the duration of lo mjolo lo angizukulala manginalo muntu ngicela ukuntshela guys ukuthi even the night esasizoya ngawo emncwabeni ngoba kwacaca ukuthi akakwazi ukuhamba nami on a Friday because ngizolalaphi or sizolalaphi, so sagcina sihamba eintatha on Saturday morning kwaphoqa lokho ngalelo langa waphoqa ukuthi silale ndawonye. Ngalelo langa lelo guys nakhona futhi that day walala zuce umuntu wakhona wangapha phama ubusuku bonke mina ngihleli ngiqholozile ngikhipha amehlo ngwabheke ngawo up until confessa loyo nto yenzeka up until eze confessa ukuthi yena vele nje wazowasho nje wakubeka wakucaca ukuthi hayi mina vele baby mina ngiyinkabi mina kahle ya ngithenga ibodyguard nje kodwa nje vele ngiyinkabi ngiyathengwa nje ngisho ukuthengwa ungabe ufuna nje unomuntu okukhathazile osekuhluphile nje njani unginikeza ama details nje ngiphuthumisela 1-2 ngisheshe ngiyilungisa into yakho and vele ngaleso sikhathi usho leyo nto mina vele sengiyayifeel ukuthi zikhona izithunzi man ezengamele lo muntu akwazi ukuthi each and every time lo muntu makaseceleni kwakho wena awunabuthongo kuphela nya kanti abantu bami ababengitshela leyo nto yabo abantu engihamba nabo ukuthi kahle lo muntu lo kumnyama nje yo wathi ke mase confessile kwangazi ukuthi kuba nomahluko kancane because now I had confirmation ngabuza naye kuyena ukuthi okay fine now yonke lento ebeyiloke yenzeka bengiyibona kodwa bekunzima kumina ukuthi ngivule umlomo ngiconfront ukuthi u1 no2 suke wawenza yini or u3 no5 uyawenza yini because mina ngibona u7 no8 ayaka balance khona into engahlangani each and every time yabo even ngisho amaphupho ami guys makala nje eceleni kwami amaphupho like dreams like normal yo ngangiba nenkinga ngiqonda ukuthi this is a huge problem and ngiyayizwa ukuthi ikhona le nkinga i-deep and ubona ukuthi inkinga ijulile and awazi uzoyiqala ngakephi. Only umnikazi wayo kufanele ayiqalile. Well, after he did that, I knew what to do, but still, hey man, still kwakuyinkinga and wesike manje kwase ku-escalate ukuthi kwakuthi nje mekavuka eduze kwami ngivuke nginenguzunga i-headache. Yabona leli khanda kuthiwa it's the mother of all headaches. Ngivuke ngiphethwe lelo khanda kuze kucace ukuthi ngisho that particular day emsebenzini angikhona ukufocus and umuntu wakhona ulala honqe. Akhohlwe hayibo ngathi this is not life. So laba ke abebebuza ke ukuthi ngaba ngani ke no black coffee. Ngaba ngaloko ke ukuthi hayi uBhutiza wayehleze ngibelethele ngomuntu wakhe nini umazibani wenza kahle makunje nini umazibani sihleze sibanga leyo nto. 2 angangakhona ukulala guys. Wawuyojola into ehambe yofika phi nomuntu othi meka secaleni kwakho ungawazi ukulala molele naye. Ungabi nabuthongo and you know ukuthi ngakusasa you'll have a horrible day uzobusindelwa uphethe head and mina umsebenzi wami hectic and awugcini ngokuba hectic at the office kuphela. My 9 to 5 is hectic and nale engiyenza nani njengamanje ama story times and nayo hectic and already mangihlangana naye vele ngoba akuyona into yakudala le into ebenze into enzeke futhi ngalesikhathi ngisanda kuqala lokhunjana ama story times. Even though I have been on YouTube for a very long time, bekubani beku 2020 bani 23 I can't remember clearly, but lento ama story times bese ngiqalile nje gradually ngiyenza because I remember ukuthi bengiyenza amanye ama videos phambi kwakhe azabe ne interest abuza so manje mawuposta ke kuba njani yabo yonke leyo into leyo. So yeah, so have you ever had a situation whereby uba nomuntu okubeka in a compromising position either health wise or spiritual wise, and what did you do? Because lezi zinto ziyenzeka siyahlangana nazo and siyazifila uyikona ukuthi sabantu besifazane sinenkani. Ama red flags ayaba khona nje all over. Sinenkani uyuphophelela ukuthi hayi ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuzophela. Mina ke ngangenayo inkani. Ama red flags were all there. I could foresee everything and ngase nginayo idea ukuthi kwenzakalani, kodwa njengoba bengishilo from istory siqala ukuthi hayi uBhutiza lo ngiyasola because vele kwakumphoqa ukuthi enze njalo ngoba after econfessile ukuthi vele uya lokhunjana wangitshela ukuthi hayi ngoba nami ngabe sengiyamtshela ukuthi hayi mina nginenkinga ke ukuthi nje 1 no 2 no 3 mangabe nginawe kuba nje washo ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi kufanele kwenzakaleni ke manje mekunjalo athi hayi khululeke, you don't have to do anything. Ngambuza na ukuthi so what are you using ke wena uyathandaza wenza ini, what are you doing ukususa izisindo lezi zabantu laba obalanda all over yabo oba all over. Asho ukuthi hayi unayo indlela enza ngayo, khona indlela ekwenziwa ngayo. That's when I got to learn ukuthi labantu laba they are very spiritual grounded as much as you know ukuthi umsebenzi wakho yilo, so kufanele ube nezinto kunendlela osebenza ngayo. Washo ke nanokuthi abanye bahamba ushemba, abanye bayathandaza, abanye banjani naye ke washo ukuthi indlela yami phela nami ngeke ngikutshele yonke kodwa nami nginayo indlela yami engenza ngayo engisizayo. Ngase ngithi ke mina ke expect ukuthi ngenze njani ke at this point in time. Wathi if you are somebody okhulekayo ngicela nje ukuthi ukhuleke ungaphezi nami futhi ungikhulekele. Mina ngikukhulekelela ukuthi uyothi abantu babantu asihleke ke idlule leyo, kodwa ke nje from there the heaviness of knowing the truth and everything could not leave me ukuthi and into engangine-worry ngayo more than anything was the fact that ukuthi lo muntu lo hleze ephethe ispam all the time, one day he will snap, what will happen to me? Uyonquma mina and then what? And sathi ke yabona I love long trips. Yabona mangabe unomuntu wakho nizohamba a long trip, those long trips akhipha izindaba because umuntu uyakhona ukuxoxela ngepast yakho, niyakhona nje ukuconnecta in a lot more different way. And that long trip wangixoxela istory esangenza ngadecide from there ukuthi lo ngiyaphuma kuye gradually very soon because already yabo engixoxela istory sokuthi wadubula uma wengane yakhe cause sasikhuluma indaba ukuthi uya ngakubo kodwa angekakwazi ngisho ukubona izingane zakhe ngenxa yokuthi ubaba umkhulu wezingane zakhe, ubaba ozala uma wezingane zakhe akamfuna la ehamba khona. So indaba iqala kanjalo-ke. Ngiyabuza-ke mina ukuthi kuza kanjani angakufuni, ziwu-2 lezi zingane, lo muntu nabazukulwane bakhe baze baba yi-2, yini eyenza angakufuni? Asiqale-ke istori asho ukuthi kwenzakalani at some point. Le ntombazane wayithola i-virgin, kwenzeka angazi izinto ezenzeka, angazi ukuthi babebangani, wayeyisola ukuthi siyajola into kanjalo, wayidubula. And engazi ukuthi le ntombazane ihamba kabuhlungu, iyaxhoga ngisho ukuxhoga because of yena, because yila eyavela khona indaba wathi hawu angangithanda kanjani umkhulu wezingane zami, ibe ingane yakhe ihamba nakabuhlungu kanje, ihola i-disability grant ngenxa yami. Ihola i-disability grant ngenxa yakho? Wayenzani? Hayi, yaphuma futhi indaba, wayexoxa nje casually, wayexoxa nje engazi ukuthi uxoxa nje yazi waxoxa iphathi ebenzeka last weekend. Kodwa wathi mayexoxa le ndaba ngabona ukuthi yeah, angikho safe shem, angikho safe. I have to find a way to come out. And kangangokuthi even ngisho ukuphuma kwakunzima, namanje usangifonela akukhulume, and mayengangifonela nje ukhuluma nje general, yabo, like umuntu esazanayo nje naye, kodwa uyabona ukuthi akuphelanga. Ngoba phela akuphelanga kahle futhi nendlela nami engaphuma ngayo nje yabona nje ngashaya u-reverse ngathi nje 1 2 1 2 ngathi shwi kanyamalala, ngoba ngangisaba ukuthi ngizothi mangithi ngiyamconfronta ngithi hey ndoda iphelile abese ngenzani. So ngangisaba. So yeah. So I had to look for the angles, ngibe vigilant, ngithi 1 2 1 2 ngithola upoto ngiphume one time ukuze ngiphume safely. So ngawuthola upoto ngendlela ngawuthola ngawo. Ngeke ngitshele-ke wena ukuthi kwakwenzakalani ngize ngithola lowo poto, kodwa the fact is ngakhona ukuphuma. So yeah, 2 Rupes for now. Let us meet again on another story time. Remember, story times are here for you to educate, to inspire, and to make you open your eyes about life and life at large. And make sure that if you have a story time that you want to send to me, do DM on Facebook, on TikTok, or you can send me a voice note and share your story time on 071 941 941 7. Bye for now.